This is Natalie Hefter, and this is your Beaufort County Moment. Starting in the 1740s, indigo was introduced to the Carolinas. Eliza Lucas and Andre DeVoe are credited with bringing the process to fruition here in South Carolina. While it wasn't introduced in Beaufort County until the 1750s, by then it had already expanded to be one of South Carolina's most important exports. In the late 1740s, England passed a bounty on Carolina indigo, which greatly increased production here. The processing of indigo involved a long several days of fermenting the plant in vats of urine and water. Once that had happened, then the dye was left out of the solution to dry, packaged up in barrels, and shipped to England. By 1775, over 1 million pounds of indigo was exported from the Carolinas. By 1802, however, there was no longer an export for indigo, as most planters had turned their eyes towards Sea Island cotton. This is Natalie Hefter from the Coastal Discovery Museum, and this has been your Beaufort County Moment.
To see more Beaufort County moments, go to the Beaufort County Library homepage and click on the Local History tab.